I hope we are going live now. Let me just check. Okay, still waiting for the feed to come in one of the platforms. Okay, yep. Let me hit the go live button. All right, super duper welcome everybody. This is Shrime. I'm the founder of C4 Ads, and today we will talk about how online coaching can be simplified using the power of pixels when you are running advertisements online. So, if you are an online coach and consultant, and you are going to run advertisements in Facebook and Instagram, then this video is definitely for you. Thank you so much, Ananya23, for joining in. Good evening, very good evening. Good to have you here. So let's talk about the Metapixel. What is Metapixel? How we can, what is it used for? So I'm considering that you are a novice, which means that you don't have any knowledge of what is Pixel and you just heard it somewhere, but you don't know exactly how to set it up. This video should help you. Okay. So let me share my screen here. Just give me 1 second. All right. Okay. So let me share this screen first. Okay. So I hope all of you can see my screen. Let me doodle something for you. Okay. So when we are talking about pixels, okay, basically they are tracking codes. Okay. They are tracking codes. Okay. But tracking codes for what? They track events in website. Okay. So if you have a website like a landing page or a payment page, you're an online coach and consultant, and there is something happening in your page. Okay, something is happening. So what is happening? Let's say somebody is events such as, let's say somebody is just viewing your page. Okay, and somebody is let's say giving the email id, phone number, name to become your lead. Or let's say in your website, which means a payment page, somebody is making a purchase. Okay, so all these events, view, lead, purchase, these events in your website that are happening in your website can be tracked using or installing a code which is known as pixel. Okay, now don't worry, you don't have to be technical you don't have to have technical knowledge to do this. You don't have to write a code. Everything is given to you, and when I explain it, you will come to know how exactly, when I show you live, you will come to know how exactly it is done. Now there is one more point which I would like to talk about here, is that why do we need to install pixel? What is the point of installing the pixel? Why do we need to track the events? Now you need to track the events in your website to derive ad matrices. Okay, ad matrices, right? That means the performance of your ads, the performance of your Instagram and Facebook ads can be measured, okay, which is known as matrices measurement, if you can add if you can track the events. So the performance of your advertisement, whether the advertisement is doing good or bad, can be figured if the events can be tracked. Okay, for example, what do I mean by that? Okay, how do you exactly the performance of your advertisement? Let's say you tracked through the pixels, you tracked that 1000 people viewed your page, okay, your landing page or your payment page, and 300 out of them became your lead, or 100 out of them purchased your program of 99 rupees, okay, your workshop or something of 99 of 99 rupees, right? So you can understand that if you know how many leads, how many people actually watched, and how many people actually became your lead, or how many purchased your this thing, your program. Okay, so what do you do with that? When you know all of this, you can figure out what is the conversion percentage. What is the conversion percentage in terms of view versus lead? So Facebook will show you what is the conversion percentage. And not only that, Facebook will also tell you what is the cost per lead. Okay. So let's say you are spending 10,000 rupees, and in 10,000 rupees, you got 300 leads. Okay, so what is the CPL cost, right? So if you, so it can figure out that if I'm spending 10,000 rupees, let's say 10,000, I'm just opening a calculator, and I got 300 leads divided by 300, so my CPL cost becomes 33 rupees per head. So I'm spending 33 rupees to get a lead through online marketing using Facebook and Instagram ads. 33 rupees. Okay. So that's your CPL. Now you cannot figure out the CPL from a website, using a website, unless and until the view, the page view, the lead, and the purchase, if there is any purchase, all of these are tracked. All right, so therefore the tracking is very very important to figure out the performance of your Facebook and Instagram advertisement. I think the fundamental of why pixels are required is clear now. If it is clear, then just type clear in the chat box. Let me just see how many of you are watching it. Okay, I'm just removing the screen, I'm just checking if there are any comments in Instagram, right? Let me just check. Hi, Unish. Hi, very good to have you here. Avinash Sahu. Hi, good to have you here. Thank you. All right. Yeah, clear. All of you are clear. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ananya, for writing clear. Okay, excellent. So now coming back to how do we exactly implement it? How do we actually, install the pixel in our website? Now obviously different websites will have different procedures, but I'm going to talk about at least four common uh, websites that people use, generally coaches and consultants use. So I'm going to talk about Tagmango as some as a service where you have created a landing page. I'm going to talk about Zenler. Okay, new Zenler. If you're using Zenler LMS where you are creating your landing page, I'm going to talk about that. I'll talk about InstaMojo payment platform, and I'm also going to talk about Razorpay payment platform. Okay, so watch carefully and trust me, it is very easy. You just have to follow the steps exactly shown in this video. Okay. By the way, so far so good. Type SFSG. Okay, sounds interesting. Let's see. Let's see how easy it is. Okay, people have a lot of fear in completing this step, the pixels. Okay, so I want to show you how easy it can be. Okay, so the first step is to get the pixel ID or the pixel code. So how do we do that? You have to log in. The first step is you have to log into Meta Business Suite. Okay, you will let me share my screen, by the way. um Sorry, yeah, let me share my screen first. Okay, great. So when you come here, okay, I think you're able to see my screen. Yes, all of you can see my screen. Okay, thank you. Hi Manoj, good to have you here. Okay, so you just have to log into your business.facebook.com, not facebook.com, business.facebook.com. That's your playground. Once you log in over there, go to all tools. You see these hamburger lines. You click on the hamburger lines and you search event. Okay, and you will see something called events manager. Okay, now click on that. It will open up a new page. Okay, let me show you the events manager page. Okay, so this is the events manager page. Okay, and in the events manager page, by default you will land here, where it will first tell you what is your profile ID, business portfolio ID, and don't worry about it. You just have to think of the pixel ID and pixel name. So, my dear friends, this is there are two pixels that are here right now, but I'm going for the first pixel right now. You can have multiple pixels in one business portfolio. Okay. So let's say this is my pixel. So you went to event manager. Okay. And in events manager, you will see the pixel ID. This is the pixel ID. You want to make a copy of that. Okay. Open a Google Doc and just, you know, write the pixel ID number. Okay, there you go. This is my pixel ID number. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll then go to the data sources. You see this triangle over here on the left hand side. I'll go there. Okay, and then I'll scroll down. I'll just see this in this page. I'll just scroll down and I will see something called add events. Okay, so I click on add events. I'll click on the three options. I'll go for from a new website. Okay, I'll click on from a new website. Once you click there, you will see this pop up. Okay, I hope you are able to see the pop up. Yes. Okay, once you see the pop up, you click on install code manually. Okay, when you click there, you will reach here. Click on the second option, install base code. Okay, click there. Okay, copy the code, copy the base code. Okay, the code is already written for you. You just have to copy it, again paste it in the Google Doc. Okay, I have already pasted it. Okay, now what you do is you go back to events manager. Okay, you click on continue. Okay, don't worry about advanced matching, click on continue. Okay, now you click on open event setup tool. Okay, but before you open that, sorry, before you open that, what is your website? You got the code, right? You got the code. This is your code. Now let's say I told you I will talk about four places. So let's say you have a tag mango page. Okay, let's say you have a tag mango page. All right, so this is one of my tag mango pages. Okay, I'm going to edit the tag mango page. Okay, click on edit. Okay, I'll go to payment details in the tag mango page and I'll go to advanced setting, and here there is an option to add Facebook pixel ID. So I will toggle it on and I will paste the pixel ID which I had noted previously in my Word document. Okay, so I'll simply paste the pixel over here. Okay, now that's not it, because people, so this is a 99 rupees class. Okay, I'm doing it for a 99 rupees class. So when there is a 99 rupees class or there is a payment involved, if it's a free webinar, then you have to install a lead pixel. If it is a paid webinar, then you should install a purchase pixel. So how to do that? Okay, so first you install, you let tag mango know about this ID. Okay, then you go to payment success page. This is like thank you page, and over there you click on add custom script. Okay, you toggle add custom script. Now go back to your code. Okay. Now the code which you had written all the way from these parentheses, you see this triangular parenthesis, you start from there, copy the entire code and paste again below it. Okay. Now what is happening is this is your page view pixel. Okay. So remember I had explained in the beginning of the session the three basic events that you can track. Number one, every time somebody comes to your website, a page view event will be tracked. And every time somebody gives data, like becomes your lead, a lead pixel can be tracked. Okay. So you just have to come back to the code and you just have to change page view to lead. That's it. You just have to do that. Now again copy this. Okay. And paste below in the Word document and change lead to purchase, purchase, purchase. So this pixel, okay, this pixel all the way from here metapixel code to the end of metapixel code, you see it is written end metapixel code. So all the way from beginning to the end, you just have to copy it. This is a lead pixel, and if it is a free webinar, you paste it in Tag Mango page. But in my case, in my example, it's a paid webinar, so 99 rupees paid webinar. So what I'm going to do, in case of 99 rupees or 199, 499, 699, whatever that you're selling using a website, in that website you copy and paste the purchase pixel. So you copy this purchase pixel, okay, and you go back to the Tag Mango thank you page or payment success page, toggle add custom script and just paste it over here. Okay, remove all the extra spaces. Okay, I removed the extra spaces and now it is done. Just click on save. That's it. Let me show you how you do it in if you have Zenler website. So this is a Zenler website. New Zenler is another LMS. You might be using it. A lot of coaches and consultants use it. I also use it. So let's say this is my website in Zenler. Okay, in my website. Thank you so much, by the way, Ananya, Debabrata, and all of you who are joining here. Okay, good to see you all. Okay, all right. So coming back to the website. Okay, so this is my web page. Okay, so I'm gonna go, and this is the web page in Zenler. This is Zenler app. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. Okay, and I'm gonna go to tracking codes. It's written tracking code over here. Okay, I'll click on tracking code, and it will ask me to put the header section and the footer section. Now what is this? This is the landing page. Okay, let me show you the funnel structure so that you'll remember. So this is the opt-in page. Once somebody gives their first name and email ID, they'll go to the thank you page. So when you have like this kind of an option where you have an opt-in page and a thank you page, okay, two different pages. So what you do is you go to the opt-in page or the landing page first, okay, and then you install the first pixel, the page view pixel. You see, this is the page view pixel. So whenever a person comes to this website, I want the page view pixel to be to be tracked. Okay, so I'll copy this code which I got from Meta. I will go to my website editor. I'll go to tracking code, and in the header section, you see the tracking code is always pasted in the header section. Okay, the metapixel code. So I'm just going to paste it, and that's it. I'm just gonna remove the extra space, and I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna say add. Okay, and then I'm gonna say save. So which pixel did I post? Which pixel did I install? I installed the page view pixel in the landing page. But after giving the first name and the email ID, they will go to which page? They'll go to the thank you page. Okay, they'll go to the thank you page. I'm just saving it. Yeah, so let's go to the thank you page as well. Now after they gave the first name and the email ID, what will they become? They become your lead. So let's say in this case, it's a free lead magnet or free PDF which I'm giving to them. Okay, and this is my thank you page. Okay, now in that thank you page, I will again go to tracking code, and in the header section, what will I do? Because it's a free thing, I want to install the lead pixel. You see, it's here, it is shown track lead. Okay, track lead. Okay, so I'm going to copy the lead pixel. Okay, I'll go to the editor and I'll paste it over here. I'll remove the extra spaces. I'll just say add and I'll say save. That's how easy it is to install the pixel code. If you have a payment page like Razorpay, let's say you are collecting payments in Razorpay, how should you add this pixel? There is no headache. You just have to go to Razorpay. I'm going right now to Razorpay. Let's say this is a payment page under payment pages. Okay, and let's say I'll click here, and under payment pages, under that page you will see settings. Go to the settings, you'll go to page settings. Okay, and in this Razorpay page settings, if you scroll down, you will see something known as plugins and add-ons. Okay, click on configure. It will ask you to paste the pixel ID. Okay, so go ahead, get the pixel ID from your notepad. Okay, from your Word document, which which we had noted in the beginning of the session. Okay, so I'll go back to Razorpay and I'll just paste the pixel ID over here. Okay, and I can say that please track everything. By default, page view is tracked. I will say please track initiate payment also, please track payment complete also, please track add to cart also. So in case a person made a payment, has initiated a payment but the payment did not go through, then Facebook will say that okay, the person initiated the payment but the payment is still not complete, or initiated the payment or add to cart. That means the person bookmarked it somewhere. Okay, add to cart is very rare. That is mostly used for e-commerce, not for coaching. So you can say initiate payment or payment complete. Please track them. Okay, and that's it. You just have to say save. You just have to hit save. Okay, and it will be done. That's how easy it is to install a pixel, Facebook pixel in Razorpay. Similarly, if you have an InstaMojo payment page, okay, let's say you have an InstaMojo smart page. Okay, let's say this is my smart page. Go to the smart page, click on the three buttons, click on edit page, and just scroll down in that edit version. Go down, scroll down, and there you will see here it is written, right, what is your Facebook pixel ID, right? So we had noted the Facebook pixel ID. We will just go to InstaMojo page and we will just paste the Facebook pixel ID. Okay, now below that it is asking what are the matrices, what is the metric to track. Here you can say page view, payment complete, right? You can say initiate checkout. Okay, you can also, so these are the three things that it should track. So there is no confusion. If a person comes to your payment page, becomes page view. Page view event is tracked the by Meta. If a person has initiated the checkout but payment is not complete or payment failed, then initiate checkout will trigger. And when a person successfully makes the payment complete will trigger. That's how easy it is to add pixels into your website. Okay, after you have added your pixel, you need to, many people don't do this, remember to test your pixel. So go back to Meta Pixel, okay, Meta Business Suite, okay, and click on open event setup tool. Okay, and let's say we just added, let's check this one, let's check any one of the websites where we added the pixel. Okay, so let me check that. Let's say I added the pixel in Zenler, right, in my Zenler website. Okay, so I will just get the link of my Zenler page. Let me go back and see. Where is that? Okay, let me go back to the funnel. Okay. Okay, yeah. So this is the funnel view. Yeah. So this is my Zenler landing page, the opt-in page, as you can see, and this is my thank you page. So what I'll do is I'll copy the landing. I've already added pixel, so I'll just copy the URL of my landing page. I'll go to the Meta Business Suite, and I will, under Open Event Setup tool, I'm gonna share the website URL, and I'll say open website. Okay, so what it will do is it will open the website for me. Okay, now I'm going to give, let me see if anything triggers over here. Something should trigger over here because we added the pixel over here. Okay, so here it is showing that a pixel was not detected on the website. Check the URL you entered is correct, or use test events to make sure you have a pixel setup on your website. So what I'm going to do is, in this kind of an error, I'm going to go to test events in Event Manager. You see this green button. If you, while testing, if you get this kind of an error, go to test events in Events Manager. Okay, so now it will open this. Okay, and we are going to say confirm your website events are set up correctly. Okay, so here I have uh, shared my landing page link. I'm going to say, and let me just double check that my landing page is published. Let me go ahead and check if my landing page is published. Okay, funnel details. Okay, overview. Okay, just checking if my landing page is published. Yes, it is available. Yeah, all right, great. So I'm back to the event setup tool. Okay, I hope you all are still there. Hi, career coach Neha, Rehan, Satyapatro, Manju, Subhendu sir, very good to have you here. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, all right, so now I'm going to go back to my event tool. I will click on open website. Okay, and I will check if the event gets triggered. So I'll just use my name, my email ID, just to test it. Okay, I'll say I'll submit. Okay, okay, so it is, looks like it is somehow my website is not properly working. Maybe it's something that I need to fix. Okay, let's do it for my Tag Mango page. We have also added the pixel in Tag Mango page. I'm just double checking that the pixel is correctly added. Okay, so I'm going to Tag Mango page. I'm seeing that, okay, 2863 is my pixel. 2863 is my pixel. Fantastic. Okay, and I want to make sure that in the payment success page the purchase pixel is added. So I'm checking if the purchase pixel is added. Okay, yes, the purchase pixel is also added. Okay, awesome. The small tilde was missing, so I just added it. Quote was missing, single quote was missing, so I just added it. I'm just saying save. Okay, so now it is added. Let me create a, I don't want to pay 99 rupees to test it. So what I will do is I will just create a coupon code. Okay, I'll create a coupon code. Let me see. Marketing, coupons. So I'm also helping you learn how to create coupon code in this video in Tag Mango. Okay, so I'll just say create coupon code. I'll just say 99 off. I'll link the service. This one, Meta Ads Accelerator course. Okay, I'm gonna give them 100% discount. Okay, I'm gonna say that it is valid till, let's say, 2025. Okay, all right, cool. Um, Now I'm gonna say submit. Oh, it will still ask me like it will still ask me to pay 1 rupee, I guess. All right, we will pay 1 rupee, not a problem. Okay, so all right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to. I'll just double check that this coupon is working. So I'll go to services. I will check that my coupon code is working. Now for that, I have to open an incognito window. Okay, so I'm opening an incognito window. I hope my screen is still visible. Is it still visible? Just checking. Okay, if my screen, if my incognito screen is still visible, just type visible in the chat box or somewhere. Yeah, anybody? Yes, visible. Oh, thank you so much, Ananya. You're a lifesaver. Thank you so much. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this Tag Mango page. Okay, and I have the coupon code. Okay, so I'm gonna use just one of my phone numbers. Okay, I'll just say request OTP. Okay, I must be receiving an OTP now. I should be receiving an OTP now. Okay, I got an OTP. Okay, and now I'm going to use the coupon. Remember, we just created a 99 off coupon. Okay, apply coupon, and it is still asking me to pay 2 rupees. Okay, that's fine. For this live video, I'm ready to pay 2 rupees, not a problem. Okay, proceed to pay 2 rupees. I'll pay it to myself only, actually. Okay, I'll just get the QR code scanned, and I'll pay 2 rupees so that we can proceed with the this thing. Um, Testing. Okay, we can proceed with the testing. So yeah, so testing is very important. Like, once you have installed the Pixel, make sure that you kind of test the Pixel. It's important. And yeah, there are several kinds of errors that you may receive while, just like how we received. So we just need a little bit of patience, and we just have to, like, figure out kahan pe, where the problem is. So by the way, my payment is made. I paid 2 rupees 34 paisa to complete the payment. Excellent. So payment is done. Now let's get back to our this thing, our the testing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to overview. Okay, and I will check if my pixels are getting triggered. Okay, let me see. Okay, so as of now it is not showing, but let me go to show all events. So page view, it's showing that it received 8 days ago, not now. So it is happening most likely because of the server downtime. Okay, so in some minutes it will get updated, and you can check that the event, you received the event. So I'm not going to make you wait, and I'm not going to waste the, not going to extend the live session anymore. But your pixel has been set up. So what the point which I wanted to establish is that please make sure that you're testing your events. Okay, so I'm going to now, again, I went to data sources. Okay, and I'm just checking if it has appeared here. Okay, just refreshing the screen one more time to check if the recent activity has been captured. Okay, and I can see that it has not been captured. Neither page view, not nor purchase pixel, nor purchase event has been captured in this pixel ID. So it is happening because of server downtime. Sometimes it doesn't happen. Don't worry, it will be updated in some time, but I'm not going to make you wait. uh, just checking with all of you, do you think that you learned a simple way to add your pixels in your website? Please let me know wherever you are. Was it somewhat helpful for you? Type yes or no in the chat box. Yes. Hi, Namrata. Good to have you here. Jagdish, good to have you here. Sagar, good to have you here. Okay. Thank you so much. All right. So, that's what I wanted to share with all of you. Thank you so much. I hope as a coach or consultant, you will be able to add pixels. Now, I know that certain things remained. For example, I could not show you the live testing because of server downtime. 99% chances it's happening because the server is not getting updated. So we try to refresh. I know that few things are still might still be there in your head as a doubt. So I would like to tell you one thing. If you are genuinely interested to learn more about Facebook and Instagram ads, please don't forget to check the link below the description, because what happens is in our community, in my community, in C4 ads community, we run live classes, okay, for 30 days. So each week you will have two classes, Monday and Tuesday, 10 to 11. You just spend like 1 hour on Monday, 1 hour on Tuesday, and you spend eight such, you go through eight such classes, okay. And when you go from one class 1 to class 8, okay, in 1 month, in 30 days, that's, I call it ignition challenge. I have three levels: ignition, expansion, explosion, level 1, 2, 3. And it is very pocket friendly, and you can learn to do your ads, your Facebook ads and Instagram ads, and become successful and good at it with at least 2x return. Like, you invest 10,000, you get 20,000 from the market, from at least from the Facebook and Instagram pages. You make that much of revenue. So if you invest 1 lakh, you want to get 2 lakhs. If you invest 3 lakhs, you want to get 6 lakhs. So if 2x revenue is I mean, that's the minimum that I want to assure you. And you can do all of that without getting dependent on any ad agency. Trust me on that. It is not a rocket that we are launching somewhere. This is simple, and I have made it very simple for you. You can check the link below this description. Check out my testimonials, the feedbacks that we have received. 9 out of 10 people who attend those sessions, they don't have technical background, and they were able to set up their web, they were able to launch their advertisement absolutely smoothly. So I'm pretty sure you can be the next coach or consultant who can sizzle and attract quality traffic into his or her community using the power of Facebook and Instagram ads. And you can learn all of that in a very pocket friendly price in live classes, okay, with our guidance. So I'm looking forward to meet you inside my community if you're really interested. Thank you so much for having that patience. जाते जाते बस इतना बोलूंगा कि I love each and every one of you, coach and consultant. My dad was a maths teacher, my mom was a physics teacher. I belong to a family of teachers and coaches. And I can't tell you how proud I feel when I see a coach or a genuine, authentic coach and consultant. We are trying to make a dent in the universe. You and I are one of them. Keep doing it. All the best.